head over water for the first time in years.
Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So in today's video, I am so ecstatic to be collaborating with some extremely amazing and talented women here on our YouTube platform. And I thought it would be a great idea for us to kind of join forces to share with you guys how to spread love in or around your home this Valentine's Day season. So without any further ado, I want to kind of take the opportunity to introduce all of these amazing participants in this collaboration. Be sure to visit the description box down below so that you can watch the entire playlist of all the incredible talent that you guys will be seeing today. I hope that you guys enjoy and leave with tons of inspiration and motivations for spreading love and showering love this Valentine's Day. We have a group of incredibly talented women for this collaboration, and I'm so excited about the passion and the creativity that they all possess. So joining us will be At Home with Nikki, Amateur Decorating Like a Pro, Very Carey, Shalay Morgan, Your House of Home TV, The Reach Life, The Millionaire House, and Tamika McFall. I will link all of their channels down below in the description box. Please consider joining their internet families as you guys cruise through their channels. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Okay, you guys, so if you remember in the previous video, we already decorated the living room for Valentine's Day, and tonight I wanted to turn it into something really fun, sort of a very romantic and private restaurant or private party. So we're going to get started with some quick DIYs. We're going to do a balloon arch to go over the fireplace mantle, and then we're going to set the coffee table for a dinner for two. So I'm so ecstatic about how this is going to turn out. So let's get started.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
So we're going to get started by placing a beautiful centerpiece in the corner of our coffee table. I absolutely love the way that the balloons reflect in the mirrored coffee table. Many of you guys have asked about this. I got it from a yard sale for just $75 when I first moved into our home. So this was definitely a steal, and it is still living with our family. Next up, I'm going to add some other accent pieces on either side. I'm going to be doing a DIY kind of like a charcuterie tray filled with candies, and I'll be doing that in the next video, so be sure to check that out. I absolutely love these candles and these antique candle holders in the gold, and then I wanted to put the red candles, the red tapered candles in those in order to add that pop of color. So far so good. I'm just loving the balloon reflection, you guys. Next up is the number one table number that I created using my Cricut Maker, and if you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it here so that you guys can check it out how I made it. Many of you guys asked about the decal. Cricut does have like a watermark paper, but I actually purchased that particular decal from the Dollar Tree and cut it out. I love these polka dot napkins, and I wanted to add again that pop of color, and I wanted it to be very fun, so I layered the charger on top of the napkins along with the blush plates that I picked up from Walmart a few years ago, the red and white polka dot plates that I got from Dillard's on a clearance sale that also matches the napkins. They were actually a part of the same set. And then the mirrored name card holder that I created using my Cricut as well. So I will link that down below. And then I'm going to duplicate the exact same thing on the other side. So I absolutely love the way that this looks, you guys. It is so casual yet chic and comfortable. So I am absolutely loving it. Now I did want to add the pop of red and pink in our glassware. So I'm adding the blush goblets and the red goblets on either side. I love the way that this turned out, and I hope you guys loved it too. So let's take a look at the overview.
Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting. Down, wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Sweet talk. Sweet
So I know you guys are probably wondering whatever happened to the apothecary jars. I asked you for suggestions on how to fill them, and my, you guys had so many incredible suggestions. But what I ultimately decided to do was to make them prayer jars. You know that my husband and I are both involved in the ministry, and we are always getting prayer requests. So we'll put the names on the outside and the prayer requests on the inside. Once we get that prayer request, we'll be able to come to this jar, and during our prayer times, we are able to pull out these requests and to pray over them. Once we finish praying over those prayer requests, or whenever we get calls back from individuals who, want to give their testimony, we're going to put them here, and this is going to be our answer prayer jar. We'll put their name on the outside, the date of the initial prayer request, the date of the answered prayer, and exactly how God answered that prayer. And I thought this would be so important for us because we could use it the entire year. And at the end of the year, we can reflect on the goodness of God and just praise Him and thank Him for all of the answered prayers. In the last jar, we decided to make it a jar where we would house cards for words of encouragement. And I just thought this was so important, especially when people, are going through so many losses and illnesses. It's so special to receive written words. I think they're some of the greatest gifts we can ever give to each other. And we can also include gift cards in that as well. So yeah, that's what I ultimately decided
Thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope that you leave so motivated and so inspired to shower others with love, with gratitude, and just to be a blessing to someone. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to go and check out all of the other videos. Again, I will leave the link here and down in the description box below. I'll see you guys at the next video. Much love and many blessings, Melanie.